In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing business with $0 using free traffic and so much more. Okay, make sure to watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss this free information that I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay, let's get started. So it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. Okay, I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links, I'm still making commission. As you can see over here in my balance, I have $5,125 in commission. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. I will make more for sure. I know I am promoting a lot of affiliate links on social media, and in this video guys I will show you how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest and start this business with $0. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do, you just need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr profile page. Okay, this Fiverr website page. Okay, so what you need to do next, you can check this website so you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. So to join Fiverr affiliates, click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy. It will take just few minutes from your time. Okay, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account and you should have an account like this one. This will be your home page like this. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Google. Okay, go back to Google and search for Pinterest. Okay, we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Okay, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, so why I choose Pinterest, let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? We can get so much traffic from Pinterest for free without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, you can see over here 1 billion monthly visitors. So millions of people are using Pinterest every single day. Okay, that's why I choose to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest. So much traffic for free. Okay, after you finish, so what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, so now I will share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Pinterest to get a lot of commission. Okay, this is one of my profitable affiliate links. Okay, click on the search for Shopify, marketing. Okay, search for Shopify marketing. Okay, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has lots of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will be interested and they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, and people why I choose this service, Shopify marketing, a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their Shopify products. Okay, those people who are using Pinterest to promote Shopify products, they will be interested to buy this service to get more sale, to boost Shopify sales and make more money. Okay, that's why I choose this service. Okay, Shopify marketing. Scroll down, let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 seller. I will boost Shopify sales, Shopify marketing. This one looks good. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next is just copy his profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, then click over here and put this link here like this. Okay, click over here and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to go to Pinterest. Okay, we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Go to Pinterest, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, scroll down, keep scrolling down. You should see over here about this gig, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image. Okay, I will name it Shopify. Go to Pinterest, click here and upload this picture. Okay, open, and here you go, this is your picture, will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put title, description, go back to this seller profile page, copy his title. You can use those information, that's what I do. We are just affiliate marketers with Fiverr, so you can use this title here like this. Go description, go back to his profile page. Okay, scroll down and you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Click on more and here you go. So what you will do, I will copy this description from here. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here like this. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board, and if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, I will choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay, keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, copy those keywords. Okay, like this, copy those keywords and go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. So make sure to copy all those keywords because those keywords are very important. Go back and copy all those keywords. Okay, paste. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can start making money with affiliate link, with affiliate marketing business for beginners, step by step. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos. Make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links if you want to earn commission. If you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you promote a lot, your account will get banned. If you have new account, you need to warm your account after a few weeks. Then you can start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day. And make sure to promote also your affiliate links on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. So feel free to check my other videos. I share with you guys how we can promote your affiliate links on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and so much more. Check my videos. I already uploaded a lot of videos sharing with you new affiliate services, new products, new methods, and so much more. And see you in my next video.